Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can change the storage medium that your recordings or photos are being saved to on this DJI Flip FLY MORE. So to start, you will obviously need to launch the, camera view of the remote controller or DJI Fly app. Now, if your camera is in the automatic mode, as it is in mine, simply tap at the storage spec right over here and switch between, remote controllers or drone's internal storage and SD card if you will have one inserted. If your camera is in the Pro mode, on the other hand, you will need to tap over there and also here switch between storage, like internal storage and memory card. You can also go into settings, I would assume, and find this storage thing right over here somewhere. Yeah, I'll figure it out later, guys. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.